Hi Panthers!
I'm Tomas.
And I'm Sevi.
Welcome back to this week's episode of Panther Pause Season 26.
Hey Tomas, do you like burgers?
Of course I do. I love burgers. Why do you ask?
Well, you're in luck because PAC Shack is returning this Thursday.
Well, let's head down to the PAC Shack and see what they have cooking for us.
Henry, I lost my burger.
The PAC Shack one for 13 ringgit?
Can you help me?
Yeah, I'll meet you in the office.
Alright, I'll see you at my office.
Alright, I'm on my way now. These are our 3 suspects.
Where's my burger?
Not my problem.
Oh, me? I don't even like PAC Shack burgers.
Well, if it wasn't you guys, then who else?
PAC Shack, so good. Oh.
Yo, those burgers sound fire.
Right? I need to try them.
Don't forget to pre-order your PAC Shack burgers now so you don't have to wait in those long queues.
Thanks for the reminder. Now let's move on to something even more exciting.
Gap Week!
AKA the 1 week where we pretend we're not tired or stressed.
Facts, we're out here living our main character arc with matching hoodies and Gap trip snacks. Did you pack yours yet, Sebi?
I packed the essentials, snacks, and good vibes only.
This trip's gonna be so fun, and the best part, no homework.
Until we get back and we realize we have about 6-7 tests waiting for us.
Bro,
Whoa,
that's still worth it. Alright, Panthers, remember to hydrate, behave, and most importantly, don't forget to have fun.
Speaking of fun, let's go ask some of our Panthers what they think about Gap Week.
Let's fly out of here. Hi, I'm Tomas and I'm here with
Kiara,
Alex,
Temu,
Xavier,
Ved.
Mohammed.
Where are you going to Gap and did you want to go there?
I'm going to Sarawak and yeah, it's gonna be fun.
I'm going to Vietnam and I kind of want to go there.
Sabah Village, and I don't know. I guess it's nice.
I was supposed to go to Nepal, but now I'm going to Sri Lanka.
Alright, so what's the most important item you're going to bring to Gap?
Clothes. My teddy bear.
My clothes, because I need them.
Probably a pink teddy bear, because I can't sleep without it. I get scared.
I'm gonna really bring a positive energy and really try to impact and pull up my Gap mates.
I'm gonna bring my swimming trunks because I'm only surfing.
Is this your first Gap trip?
No, it's my second.
This is also my second.
It's my first.
Yes, because I'm in 9th grade. Yeah.
Yeah, first Gap, yeah.
So what's your favorite memory from Gap and why?
Last year,
Yeah.
my favorite memory was like going tubing in the river. It's pretty fun.
I fell in love.
Nice job, Panthers. Now it's time for everyone's favorite part of the show. Trivia time!
Wait, what kind of trivia?
Well, we'll be asking our high school students if they are smarter than a 5th grader.
Good thing I'm not the one being interviewed.
Same, I'd probably crash out on the first question.
Let's go! Trivia time!
Hi, my name is Emma, and who am I here with? Margot. Today I'm going to be asking Panthers questions to see if they are smarter than 5th grader. Okay, the first question is, what is the largest ocean on Earth?
The Pacific Ocean.
Yes, you are correct.
And who am I here with?
Hi, I'm Aiden.
What punctuation mark ends a question?
A question mark.
Correct.
Hello, who am I here with today?
Chelsea.
Okay, my question for you is, which device is used to measure temperature?
Thermometer.
Yes, you are correct.
Who am I here with?
Peyton.
Okay. What continent is Egypt in?
Africa.
Correct.
Hello, who am I here with?
Sonju.
Okay, do you know what the square root of 16 is?
4.
Yes, you are correct.
Misumatsu.
So, what planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
That is correct.
Wow, those questions definitely kept everyone on their toes.
They sure did. And while our Panthers are here flexing their brain power, some of our awesome Panthers are taking their talents to IAS's art, film, and MUN.
That's right, our art and film delegates will travel to Singapore while MUN will stay right here on campus.
So don't forget to stop by and check out those debates. It's a great chance to see our Panthers in action.
Okay, Panthers, it's time to wrap up the Super Sendy episode.
And we'll see you all next time.
Don't go clawing back for more. We'll be back, Panthers.